to show you a cool new product. This is Magtame's USB-A to Lightning port cable. This cable is completely magnetic, so if you look at this wire, it's tucked away in a neat fashion. If you don't believe me that it's magnetic, let's test it out. So I have some paper clips right here, and we're just going to spread it all over. Let's see if our cable can pick up these paper clips. Awesome. See? So not only is our Magtame cable very clutter-free and mess-free, it can also pick up some paper clips. So if you spill some, you can pick it up like this. Just kidding. Hey guys, so currently I'm in my car right now, and I just want to show you the mess I got with my cable. So here it is. And this is a mess, and it's especially dangerous when you're driving, since I have to switch gears like this, and it always gets tangled up. I normally use both Android chargers as well as your Apple chargers, because I have different devices that I'd like to charge, such as my phone and my iPad. Or this is also good if you have someone else in the car with you and you have different systems that and chargers that they need to use. So I have a USB-C right here. You can see that right here, and my lightning cable. So now let's do some cable management and switch these out. I have it connected to a cigarette lighter, which also has a PD charging port. So I'm going to use two types of cables to switch it out. I have my USB-C data transfer cable, which is really good if you're also using it to transfer data or use some sort of car system. And then I have my lightning cable. So I really love how organized this makes your car look like. I'm just gonna plug it in. This is our lightning cable. I'm gonna plug in the USB-C cable on my cigarette lighter right here. If you need it, we can uncoil it, but if you don't need it, we can wrap it back up. Since it's magnetic, it will just easily wrap back up. Like that. Let's do it with the other one. And there you go. I love how it's so organized. It's magnetic, so it coils up really nicely, and your car looks clean, and you won't have to worry about getting into a car accident because you can't change your gears properly. This product uses Apple certified chip to make sure that it is up to standard with safety standards, and also it's using that chip, it creates a high and efficient charging process as well as high performance for the product, so you can ensure that your Apple products are going to be safe while you're using this. So not only this cable is Apple certified, it is also very easy to carry, so I can just use it as a wristband and just take it with me on the go if I need to charge my phone. I can even tuck it into a smaller ball. And this coil is even smaller than before, so it can be tucked in anywhere. It is smaller than my phone. Let's try charging our device. So this is the USB-A port, and we have our lightning port. So let's try that. So now let's try charging our device. So I'm gonna just plug this into this USB port right here. This is our USB-A port. And using the Lightning port, I'm gonna plug in my phone. And yeah, that's how easy it is to charge it. Look at this cable coil. It's so neat and tidy. If you like a aesthetic look for your tech setup, this is going to be very useful to have. So not only is this cable aesthetically pleasing, it also easily folds and organizes in seconds. It's durable and stable and secure with Apple certified chips, so you can charge all your devices with this USB-A to Lightning cable. Any device that has these ports is compatible with this cable. And it also has 3 amps fast charging and data transfer capabilities. So we hope you guys like this Magtame cable. If you'd like to purchase this product, please go ahead and check out our description box below. We hope you guys like this product. Thank you all for watching.